In this video, we're going to look at condition-controlled loops in Scratch. To start off with, what exactly is a condition-controlled loop? A condition-controlled loop, also known as a while loop, involves repeating instructions until a condition is no longer being met. If that doesn't make much sense to you, don't worry. It will make sense by the end of the lesson. After we've made some programs. Speaking of, let's take an example of a condition-controlled loop in Scratch now. Here's a program which uses a condition-controlled loop. Recreate this program in Scratch. Pause the video here to give yourself time to do this. There's actually something wrong with this script. Run the program, then figure out what the problem is with this code. Once you run the program, you would notice that the program never ends. Your sprite will continuously say, Scratch is easy. This is because of our condition. This condition says that we should repeat the instructions below until the value in the variable is equal to 5. But the problem is the value in the variable is 0, and 0 is never equal to 5. So how do we fix this problem? We need to add a line of code. Go ahead and add this line right here under the wait 1 second block. When using a condition-controlled loop, you have to have one line at least within the loop that will break the condition. In this line, we are adding 1 to the value stored in the variable. If each time the instructions are repeated, we add 1 to the variable, eventually the value in this variable will become 5. Then the loop can be broken. Okay, let's move on to one more example. This program asks the user to enter a passcode. By using the condition you see here, the program will repeat the task for the user until they enter the correct passcode. Recreate this program in Scratch and try it out for yourself. Pause the video here to give yourself time to do this. If you want to, we can also add this code block underneath the code. That way, as soon as we exit the loop, the message welcome will be displayed. Try it out in Scratch. Pause the video here to give yourself time to do this. And that's everything you need to know about condition-controlled loops in Scratch.